What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2022 Mazda CX-30 open if the key fob dies or if the battery in the CX-30 dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and the vehicle's locked. So in either one of those scenarios, a dead vehicle battery or a dead key fob battery, the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key that's inside of our key fob. So taking a look at our key fob, one side has a logo and one side doesn't. The side without the logo is what we're gonna remove, and we're gonna slide it up. So down on the key ring, we can see there's this little button right here. Hold that button down and then push this up just a little bit, and it slides just a little bit. And then after it slides, it'll pull off like that. We can see our emergency key right here. Go ahead and pull this out of its little holder. Now let's take the emergency key and look at the driver's door. So if you pull the driver's door handle open, looking in here, you can see there's that key cylinder right there. That's where that emergency key is gonna go. So hold the door handle open the whole time, and then we'll slide the emergency key in the key cylinder like that. And now I'm gonna turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock, and then make sure you pull that key out. And now our door is open. So if the battery in your CX-30 is dead, you can pop the hood and then change or charge the battery, whatever you need to do. If you need to change the battery in your key fob and you're not sure how to do that, I'll put a link to a video in the description box of this video on how to change the battery in your key fob. That'll be in the description box of this video. And then last thing is, let's take a quick look at kind of how to put this back together. So this will kind of sit on this hole. You can see the hole in the emergency key. Sits in there like that, and then we'll set this on there. So it sits on there, and then it slides just a little bit to lock into place. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.